Easy lift equipment air-powered drum dumpers are the safe and ergonomic solution for dispensing drums in areas where DC-powered equipment is not permitted. Drum dumpers are available with a variety of clamps that offer either 180-degree forward rotation or 360-degree side rotation. This model features our 360-degree endless side rotation CR clamp with a counterbalanced base frame to provide additional reach when required. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the machine from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor prior to beginning. This air-powered drum dumper requires a consistent air supply at 100 psi. The hose and coupling have a half-inch inside diameter to produce the maximum air from the air and hydraulic power unit. To begin, connect an end-user supplied male coupling to the brass ball valve with half-inch NPT female thread. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all functions are working properly by pushing or pulling the corresponding valves which provide variable speed at the respective function. These functions include lift and lower, rotate left, and rotate right, as well as clamp and unclamp. A red safety button is required to open and close the clamp. This is to prevent an unintentional release of an elevated load. You should verify that all these functions are in proper working order prior to beginning. If not, contact a supervisor before using. To begin, disengage the foot floor lock. The CR clamp is designed to handle plastic, fiber, and steel drums from 20 to 24 inches in diameter. Use the lift valve so the clamp is in line with the center of the drum or in between the two center ribs. Open the clamp and push the equipment forward to clamp the drum. It is recommended to apply slight forward momentum when clamping so the front of the clamp meets the back of the drum, ensuring a secure grip. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance before transporting to its destination. Dark-core ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. When the drum dumper is in position for dispensing, apply the foot floor lock. Leaving the unit unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. Always turn off the air supply ball valve when the unit is not in use. Turning off the air supply ball valve will prevent accelerated wear of the air motor. Remove the drum's lid or open the bungs accordingly. Once the drum is clamped and at the required location, lift the drum by pushing on the lift valve gently. This raises at a variable speed, which is determined by how much pressure is applied to the valve. Dispense the product by gently pushing or pulling accordingly on the rotate valve. The clamp rotates at a controlled speed, enabling easier positioning and accurate dispensing into a tank, mixer, or hopper. When dispensing, never leave the unit unattended. Once dispensing is complete, rotate the drum back into vertical position by gently pushing or pulling accordingly on the rotate valve. The clamping jaws are lined with slip-resistant SBR rubber for a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip the drums. The SBR rubber on the clamp is provided with a tacky finish which is needed to help ensure a secure grip when handling plastic and fiber drums. Popular additional options available for this model include a small drum adapter for gripping drums as small as 14 inches in diameter, a stainless steel pony hold-down or foot assembly, and a scale system for dispensing by weight or performing inventory. A pail adapter is also available specifically for handling 5-gallon pails. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. For food or pharmaceutical applications, drum dumpers are available in an FDA-approved metallic silver powder coating as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.